Good morning, Wolfpack. How's everybody this morning? How are the wolves doing? How are you guys doing, eh? What a busy couple days. Haven't had a chance to check anything this morning. Okay. Audio, everything good this morning? Everything's good? Start off the Monday. Just wanted to say thank you for everybody for coming in to the channel for Sunday there. And I want to thank the moderators. There's a big difference in the channel. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody for the full support. Yeah, it goes a long ways. I'm just going to get set up there. Oh, my throat, man. So it happens when I've been talking for nonstop for like 3 days between meetings with you guys, meetings with buddy from YouTube there for like 2 hours of just that. And then the voice chats that I have booked with you guys. Wow. Nice haircut. Actually, my hair fell out. I'm just joking. That's what happens when you're going too fast, eh? You couldn't get in last night, Glock? Oh, hey, Jeremy. Welcome to the Pack Elite Extreme, man, package, which is a VIP room, obviously. The VIP package. Wow, that was loud. I think the whole neighborhood heard that one. Okay, so let's get in here. Cam, I had to skip my large double from Timmy's to update. Did ya? Hey man, I'll buy you a coffee. There you go. There's a coffee for you, brother. There you go. There you go, guys. So yeah, man, I really appreciate the full support and stuff. I did what I could. Yeah, like slashing those prices like right in half for you guys, man. I do what I can, right? And okay, I'm just gonna get set up here, my friends. We still got about 3 minutes before market opens, and I got some stuff I wanted to discuss. Of course, I got some friggin' stuff I want to discuss, right? The guy never shuts the fuck up. I'm talking about me, but yeah, I just got some things. Really nothing crazy. How many of you guys missed the meeting yesterday at Sunday? Do you guys want to just give a thumbs up if you were not on the channel yesterday at what was it, 7 o'clock in the morning? If you didn't make it on the channel or did not watch the video, the podcast, give me a thumbs up in the chat bar. Okay, I'm just doing kind of like a poll kind of in my own head for statistics. Oh man, my throat, guys. It took me so long as I was gurgling some salt water. So anyways, it's probably echoing, right? I probably got a friggin' echo. You had issues too, Alina? Okay, so I was on my computer. I can't get on still on my computer, but on my tablet I can. Okay, so you didn't make it there, TRA? Okay. I would recommend missed the first half. Okay, guys, I made sure that it made it to YouTube and got rendered. The software got rendered. So all the original chat messages are now in there. I had to contact YouTube. I forgot to check the box off, I guess. I don't know what the frig happened. But it came up as yesterday with no messages. Well, that sucks. It doesn't mean... it's just me talking to a screen, nothing, right? So anyways... it looks like they put it on there. I just checked it. They must have just put it on there like 15 minutes ago. So what they did was they updated our that podcast for us. Okay, I just filed it in the wrong area and forgot to check a box off. So I would recommend definitely watching it. It's about an hour and a bit. It's probably one of the most educated podcasts out there for Wolfpack. I'm just talking about our channel. It gives you the foundation. It clears a lot of things up. It puts you in a pretty good spot. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Market friggin' open. Okay, give me a minute here. I'm switching my mouse pad to the other side because I got that tennis elbow or whatever, or tennis thing. But I can't. My fucking arm's stupid. It doesn't listen. Let's do this, wolf pack. Let's do this. Oh. Yeah, that's not working well. Okay, so I'm just going to get set up here. You guys just kick back, make yourself comfortable, grab a coffee, relax. Just let me do my shit here, as we always do. You guys can just chat in the chat bar. Warren was joking about breaking his hip. Where is Warren? Is he on here this morning? Is he on here this morning? But yeah, guys, I got all that software put on there just because I want to be fair to everybody. Okay, it was a bitch. I had to write them a fucking disclosure and everything. Oh man, I had to find my channel number. Oh man, it was a nightmare, a frigging nightmare. My buddy wasn't working on the complaints thing. He's off for a couple days, or else I would have just contacted him. Or I don't know. No, it comes first come, first serve. He already told me that. It doesn't work like that. That's right. I already asked him that. Okay, my friends. I'll let you guys talk. And if I usually am busy now, as you probably noticed, Sanjay and Christopher are pretty much running the channel. They're doing a damn good job too. So any technical stuff or anything like that, just talk to Christopher. If you want to be harassed and bugged, you just go to Sanjay. Right. If you want a good friend for life, go to Sanjay. That guy will back you. He reminds me of one of those big bouncers back in the day. Hey Sanjay, you too. I was looking at you yesterday. I'm like, oh man, fuck. Can I join, please? GRH. Join. You just hit the join button on the front of the channel, my friend. Is that what you're talking about? You're talking about join the VIP room. You have to be a member, my friend. And even if a couple people aren't members in there, within the next couple days after we get the software, it's mandatory, right? It is what it is. But we're not shutting the channel down. You guys can use this. But I highly recommend, like I said, if you listen to the video yesterday, the podcast, it's most likely that YouTube's going to get a termination notice for a while. Maybe even just the stock channels. But yeah, if you listen to the video, you'll know what I'm talking about. A friend of mine works at the complaints department for YouTube, and they had a meeting last week, and it came up about this YouTube fucking shit. I guess the SEC or I think it was the SEC contacted YouTube and told them that it's kind of against the rules, kind of like it's not really, it's skirting. I call it skirting. It's skirting the law, but YouTube won't breach that just because it's one of those things, right, guys? And I respect it too. Like, it is what it is, right? Okay, give me a second, my friends. I'm sure glad that I got Christopher and Sanjay now. Man, this is getting really, really. I know why those other channels have like behind the scenes, like those big channels like with 100,000, they got 3 or 4 people running the shit behind the scenes. I hope you guys know that. I know that for a fact. They don't even do their own videos anymore. Well, they do them, but they don't make their own videos. Like, they send them out, which we probably will one day too. And friggin' see, why is it not coming up? Did I get blocked? I get blocked from a group? I did too. What the fuck? I did. I got blocked from a Reddit group. I did. I got blocked from the main fucking AMC group. You douchebags. Fuck you guys, man. Fuck. Sorry, I'm just communicating. I'm just trying to make friends, you know. What the fuck? There must be a problem with that. That can't be right. Okay, my friends. Cam, do you have some news? I do got a little bit of stuff, but it's nothing major. I'm just gonna go over a couple things. I'm just going to keep on fucking around here. No, I'm trying to get some stuff to set up. What happened is I got swamped, guys. Like, I've been working my ass off. I've had like 3 hours sleep in like 3 days. I think I've gotten radiation from these fucking monitors and my phone and shit. I'm just joking. I shouldn't joke like that, but yeah, just give me a second, guys. You just got to bear with me. Go have a coffee or just talk on the chat bar, man. You just give me a day to recoup. I'm so exhausted. And I always try to come on here as much as I can, so I wouldn't sell you guys out. That's why I'm here, right? Or else trust me, I would just be laying in my bed and relaxing. But I wouldn't do that to you guys. Yeah, Reddit, thanks. They are number 1. AMC group, not Wall Street Breakers. They kicked me off there. That's funny. That's funny. It was after a video from yesterday. Just because we have better content than they do. Not Wall Street Breakers. I didn't AMC. No mods. They don't even have a mod on there. How the hell did I get? Maybe I got a violation against. Well, no, I didn't, because I'm still on Breakers. Okay, almost done. Almost done. Just posted on Twitter. Okay. Here we go. Okay. I'm going to try that one more time. I'm spamming them now. Fuck, we did too. We did too. How the hell do you get kicked off that group? There's only like... That's hilarious. That is hilarious. And we just got nailed. We just got a fucking a bot just came up and fucking gave me shit on Reddit. Yeah, we got blocked on Reddit, guys. You fucking idiots. I don't like Reddit anyways, except our group Reddit, but yeah, it is what it is. Obviously we hit some nerves, man. Like I said, there's a lot of fucking pissed off people that don't like people getting along and having fun and making some plans and shit. Okay, my friends, I'm gonna go through the chat bar now. Holy crap. Wow, we're gonna have a big influx of new subs. You're probably already seeing them coming in, guys. Holy shit. Wow. I'm blown away, man. Jesus. Wow. I did not think that ever was gonna happen. We're gonna begin Lou his run for his money pretty soon. Probably in the next couple months. Okay. We've almost doubled in like the last 2 weeks. Okay, so good morning, Jay. Good morning, Christopher. Good morning, Sanjay. Good morning, T. Jason. Good morning. Welcome to the Wolfpack Elite VIP package, my friend. Ooh, dude, you signed the wrong package, my friend. Um, you should have signed the cheaper one, bro. That one's like double. It is what it is. I don't. I might be able to cancel your membership, and I'll reimburse you. If not, next month go for the $1.99 one, my friend. I'm trying. I don't. I can't just take that off there until a month, and that's when I can take it off there, because if I do, it will just cancel a bunch of people's memberships. There's a whole bunch of people that are sub to that, and it would, in case we go into a squeeze or something like that, would totally screw them up. But it is all good. It is all good. Don't worry about it, my friend. We'll work it out. I'll go in there in a minute. I'll try to cancel your membership. Are you still on here? Um, Jason, are you still on here? Jason S. I know you didn't know. It's not your fault. Yeah. Proud, are you tired too? So I do good. I'm gonna read through. I'm just looking through stuff here. Ryan, True, Tess, Jeremy. Good morning. Jamal. Good morning. Cameron. Good morning, buddy. How you doing, Cameron? Well, I'm doing all right. So I do have a couple of requests by some of the members. They're not subs anymore. They're members. About they request for some podcasts to be made. So I'm gonna have a little. I'm gonna put up a poll up on the board for some podcasts for me to make. If you guys want me to clarify some stuff. Okay, Sanjay. Good morning. Jeremy. Good morning. Good morning, Jeremy. Alina, good morning there, girl. No love from Sanjay. Is Sanjay ignoring you, Jeremy? Okay, good morning. Wow, you look good with that wolf beside you. Ha! Brand new one. Doesn't even have any dust on him yet. Right on. I added some new emojis too, guys. I'm just going through everybody here. Wow, you guys are talkative this morning. Good. I'm glad that you guys are getting up on the front board now and starting to talk. I've noticed a lot of newer people up here. Just makes it easier if you get to know these people, especially when there's a squeeze and stuff and they're in the chat room. Oh, Jeremy did switch it. Okay, never mind. You did do the elite. Never mind. You know what you're doing. I'll make sure you didn't get double charged there, my friend. Wow. Still the same. TRA, good morning. Jonathan, good morning. Good morning. Dub, good morning. Dubvin, good morning. Missed the first half. Okay, like I said, I did get it fixed from YouTube. So now you can read the comments too and hear my voice. Blythe, good morning. Hopefully I pronounced your name right. If I didn't, I'm an asshole. Sorry. Edward, good morning. Did you, I didn't see you on there the other day there, girl. Did you watch the video from Sunday? If not, I do recommend spending the hour and a half, and I wouldn't recommend jumping through it like little sections because you'll miss some good content. Clock, good morning. Oh, Boston Strong 79's in the house. I didn't see you there yesterday, but bro, you've been on our channel for a long time. Same with Aaron. I would recommend watching it. I know it's a long. Say good morning. See? Am I pronouncing your name wrong? Is it Sai or Say? Well, how am I supposed to ask you on the fucking message board? Is it Sai? Say yes. Thumbs up, no, or down. Chris, good morning. Watched the replay this morning. Was Warren joking about his hip? No, I think he did fall off the roof, man. He did. Off a ladder. I shouldn't make a roof. He fell. Yeah, making it worse. Making it worse. Yeah, he fell off a skyscraper, man. But you know, he's a war vet, right? You know what I mean? Like that's nothing, man. Bullets ricochet off that motherfucker. Why are you nervous when you are already rich? Are you talking to me or Sanjay? Why are you nervous when you are already rich? Oh, you're probably talking to somebody else in the chat bar. Or are you talking to me? If you're talking to me, I'm not nervous. I'm not nervous at all. At all. I'm just tired. I'm not nervous. I'm just I run this like a business for you guys, right? I'm just worried about you guys. Okay, this is the same people, my friends. Wow. Holy jeez. GRH, can I join, please? Okay, I'm back to where I was. Yeah. You can join the channel, the VIP channel, my friend. I'll just rehash this. This is for everybody. It's my initials. Oh. Yes, you can join the VIP. He will send you a link. Just for the next couple days, you can join in our chats, but that is a membership package. Okay. Eventually, Lucas, thanks for the full membership. Yesterday, I seen it. As soon as we went off air yesterday, I got a notification. I did write you a personal message. Thank you very much, Michael. Good morning. Wow, Warren. There we go. He's in the house. How you feeling today, brother? How you feeling? Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, I was driving, couldn't answer anything. Yeah, usually the second, the third days usually sucks. Go get yourself some painkillers, man. Go get yourself some Blue Dream or something. Any news on Shamran? How you doing, bro? I didn't see you around Shamran yesterday. I'd recommend watching that video. And you've been here for a while. I would recommend you to come join our VIP group, man, our elite pack, our elite group. Cam's got so many subs now, he's lost. I'm just tired, buddy. Just tired. I'm just tired. But yeah, it's more work. Because I have to repeat. I'm just glad that I like YouTube, how it saves everything on the videos. No, I don't mind doing it. This is what I signed up. Well, I didn't sign up for this, actually, to be honest with you guys. There was only supposed to be 20 people on the channel. It was only supposed to be for my family, but it is okay. I'm glad it went this way. Like, I got some fucking cool friends here, man. Yeah, Warren, here I got something for you, brother. I never thought that Warren would have a fucking wolf patch on him. That looks dope. I'm not used to seeing that, guys. All of you guys. What is going on here with my thing? My thing's not working. What the fuck? There we go. Here you go, Warren. I'm sending you some doobies. Okay. Yeah, Rico hype video, badass. Yeah, I did watch one of his videos. I did it, guys. Somebody sent me a link. I did watch some of his videos. Could we keep recording and get members view past meeting? Okay, Christopher, and then I'm going to jump into the charts here. I got to get on this. Thank you, Aaron. I know that was your polite way of like, Cameron, fucking get on. It's just that we have way more subs now. So what we're going to have to do is get one of the moderators. We'll take turns. One moderator does it one day does it the next day, and they can welcome everybody every morning because it's already 10:02. We are morning campy ghost. How you doing, brother? I didn't see you yesterday. I would recommend going and watching that podcast from Sunday morning and watch all of it from start to finish. I know it's hard not to click through it, but there's a lot of stuff in there, my friend. Okay, Tess, according to most of AMC's tubers, the squeeze is this week. So I don't expect anything to happen this week. Nope. Not this week, guys. Not this week. That is messed up. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you screwing around with me, Tess? When did these videos come out? Like yesterday after we aired? Because I watched the YouTube stuff. Oh, and I never heard anything like that. Now they're, yeah, fuck this. Not saying that they're copying or anything like that, but I just want to know where they're. I lost. Okay. Good morning, D. Good morning, girl. We are, now that you're here there, sweetie. We're having a beautiful day. Yeah. How's your morning? Did you get the hubby off to work and get him out there working, and now you're just kicking back, and must be starting to get cold down there now, eh? Okay, so let's get on the chart here, and I will refresh this. Where the fuck is the chart going here? Woohoo! Double touch bottom. That's weird. That's weird. Okay, it's Monday morning. Do you guys want to learn how today, how to read, how to predict what the prices are going to be through the week? Do you guys want to learn that? Like how I do channeling? Do you guys want to learn that knowledge? How I'm finding these numbers, right? It's not just guessing, okay? I'm not that good. But do you guys want to know how I'm getting this information, what I'm using, and how I'm doing it? And I got to say this, I do not recommend doing options off this data. You might do good the first couple times, you'll screw yourself though. Okay, I'm gonna, I know Aaron's, I'm just gonna look through here, Aaron. Holy shit, look at ADA. Fuck, man. I'm just having a look through here first at our stuff here. Wow. AVCT is down 13.54 and collapsing fast. Didn't we call that? Okay. Okay, so let's go over to Aaron wanted us to look at. What did Aaron want us to look at? Cam is just the general feeling. The FUD father. You guys, okay? That's funny. Cam, is there any way to stop updates on Android phones? I hate them, and now my YouTube won't play. Like stop updates, like from your phone updating, like the software, or the pop-up commercials that are not on YouTube, but like, you know, the advertisement, like when you're trying to watch something. Because I do have some software I can get you. It's free. Ape Island, yeah. Did you guys watch that Telly? There's a guy named Telly that's starting to put videos out there. He has about 100 and some odd subs. I'm a member to his channel. I always disclose that. Aaron, I'm trying to find what you had here. Wow, man, I'm just Gloria. Wow. An extreme wolf. I'm trying to go back to Aaron. Aaron, can you do me a favor, my friend? I'm noticing this issue, not with you. It's just it's really hard because you just have a color with an A there, a small A. I can't even see it, and the reason why notice I'm missing you once in a while with your comments is because I can't see you. You just blend right in with the rest of the comments there, man. Is there any way, if you could, please? That's up to you. I'm not telling you what to do. It just makes it easier on myself, especially if we're in the squeeze, and then I answer you faster. It's not that I'm ignoring you, but I noticed that it's I'm catching myself, right? And it's probably frustrating towards you too, right? So that's what the issue is, my friend. Go grab a cool picture or something, man, and just the settings, just click on your thing and put an avatar in there, man. If you want, I'm not telling you what to do, dude, but it would help me. It would help me to be able to notice you right out. Okay. That's why most of the people have switched, is because it depends on the backgrounds. It's really bad. YouTube's really bad for that. Okay. So MMAT. That's why it took me so long to find that, man. Thank you, brother. Especially if we're in the squeeze, dude, I don't want to be missing your questions, because you do have some good information there and shit, and you're on the ball. It's just not fair, right? Well, that's a good little push. That's a retail push, though, for sure. Are you in on this, brother? Ooh, look at that solid line. That's weird. That's fucking weird, man. That's weird. It just totally ran. Look at that. It's just following the VWAP underneath. This thing loses steam? That's weird, hey? Look at that. This thing used to be a dick play. I call it a fucking shitty play. But it looks like it's evening out. There's a lot of red there, but this thing's holding its own. It's not up and down, and maybe the hedge funds got out of here and they just got fed up with it. Hey, man, this is... Because I remember we were watching this before, and there was some fucked up shit going on here, man. It was really scary shit, man. But I just gotta check this out, man, because this is actually looking good. Yeah, there's no... Oh, there's the shit right there. Okay, but that's not that bad. I'm seeing more up than down. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, there must be something wrong. They must have pulled out of here. I know it's shorted. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There's what I'm used to seeing with this one. Okay. They're obviously preoccupied doing something else, because they can't keep on doing shit like this when they got other things to do. They've got their hands full. They've given up on all these little fucking screw me arounds, right? The volume must have dropped off on here a bit, so they're not in here that much. But look at that push. Thanks, Aaron. Beautiful call. Beautiful call. And I do have it on the 5 minute. I'm going back to the 1 minute. Okay. 8 father. Cam, it's just the general feeling. Karen father. Oh. Phil for real went in. Phil for real. I was he on Tony's channel the other day? Is that the guy? I know. I think I know him. Kermit's in the house. That makes me laugh. So I'll try to be MC. Good morning, Jason. Good morning. Jason, you didn't sleep either, eh? Yeah. I know I talked to a couple of you guys on live chat because of your membership package that you guys pay for. But yeah, man, I same thing. So if I missed anybody, sorry about that. Usually I'd jump on the Sanjay Extreme Wolf package. What are you double dipping now, man? You got a wolf under each arm? I know it's probably your upgrade time. So anyways, yeah, welcome, Sanjay. Did you guys have any Froggy? That's so cute, man. That makes me laugh, that Kermit the Frog thing, every time I see it, man. That's good morale. I like that. So yeah, welcome, stranger. Did you guys have any other questions at all? I'm gonna put a poll up. Christopher and Sanjay, hello Cam, I haven't had an email. Okay. Crypto Wolf. I don't recognize you, my friend, unless you switched your name. Hello Cam, can I have an email sent from the other channel to the VIP room? Yes, you can. Christopher will do that for you. yeah, I just, I don't, sorry about that. I just don't recognize your handle there, but you're rocking out a wolf beside you, so it's all good, man. Sorry, my bad. My bad, man. Okay, I'm gonna make a poll right now. I'm gonna get you guys to do a vote. Tess. Buddy. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to do this. So let's make sure I'll get you off of this. Let's put you back on the AMC because I know you guys are gonna be on me going, Cam, you're fucking up. We're down almost 10%, and we're gonna show. Remind me to show you guys. It takes about 20 minutes to a half an hour to show you the channeling. Okay. I'm going to show you guys in a bit. The reason why I didn't do it right away is because I wanted the market to level out. So it's almost done right now. Remember I said that AMC is going to dip more. Okay. It doesn't matter what it goes to. It doesn't matter. I know there's there's a lot of false information about this, and I'm 100% right on this. I know that for a fact. I had a couple messages. I forget the YouTubers, and I'm not going to put it on them. It's not. They're obviously not educated in this area. They're trying to say something that isn't correct, and I'm not going to put it on the person. They'll eventually find out. They said that if it goes down too low, that the shorts will just cover and then it's over. What do you guys think about that one? I'll let you guys figure that out. If it goes down to say, like, we'll just say it's not going to go this low, but $10, $15, $20, why wouldn't the shorts just fucking pay it off and get out of there? Why can't they do that? I'll let you guys answer that. I want to see if you guys are paying attention. Okay, Crypto Wolf, it's all good. Welcome to the pack, man. Okay. So, and don't worry about this down. It's going to even go lower, okay? We should not, I'll check the channeling. I'll check our channel. I can't see it going from last week below $22, but we're going to be around there. Yeah, there's a lot of false information. I seen a couple videos this morning. I don't know if it's just another form of clickbait to get people to click on it. I don't know. I clicked on a couple of them and it's totally false information. I don't know where the fuck they're getting this shit from. Like, it's totally 100% wrong. Like, I don't know. It's like all the real information has gotten lost with all these new creators coming up. This new stock traders coming to the market or bringing their own spin on shit. It's not even real information anymore, most of it. Like, I don't even know where it comes from. But I just wanted to put that on there. I'll let you guys. You're sort of right, Pawn. You're sort of right. I'll let you guys. You're almost there, but not quite. There's one main thing. No, you're not getting it yet, guys. I'll tell you in a minute. I'll let a couple more people have a chance. Why can't they just pay back the original owners? Why can't they just give them money? And just get the fuck out? Like, who cares? Take the loss. Fuck you. I'm not giving back your shares. Like, just take this money. I'll pay you 5 times as much. Beat it. I just want out of this shit. Why can't that happen like that? Okay. Anyways, I'm going to try to do a poll here. Oh, I did. I figured it out. Poll question. Okay, the poll question is going to be, I'm going to be making some podcasts, okay? 2 different podcasts. I'm going to give you an option of what, if you want me to make a podcast on this option or the next one, okay? Everybody knows what the AZ screen recorder is, right? Do you want me to make a video on how to download it, how to install it, how to set it up, how to save it to your SD card, all that kind of stuff? So that's going to be one of the questions. I just need you to say yes or no if you want me to make that podcast. I know Proud wants me to do it, but I can always do a private chat to her. But I need to ask everybody, just because I'm so busy. Um, okay. Thanks, guys. I know it's kind of a little game I'm playing with you. I'm just trying to put some fresh oxygen and blood in your brain. Okay. So I know it's kind of. I'm not doing it to make you guys feel stupid or anything. I'm not. I'm not. Just you're smarter than fucking almost all the fucking. You're smarter than almost the fucking half the people, 3/4 of the people on YouTube. Trust me. I just don't know where this information's coming from. Okay, Richard, special presentation present for you. Sanjay. Okay, we'll see if some people are. You guys are right on track. We own the float so many times over, maybe. You guys are on the same thing. It's the law to buy back the shares. Yes, you're so close. They have to be real shares. There you go. That's it. You guys are so close. You pretty much all got it right to some area. Yeah, it would have to expose brokers. That's why there's pumping synthetics out still to this day. Because if one broker stops putting out shares, it'll cause a media spotlight on them. And they'll be interviewed. Well, why did you stop selling shares for AMC? Oh, because they're synthetics. Oh, you're selling thin synthetics. Wow. See, that's why nobody's admitting it. Hey, Lord, how's it going? Okay, so the answer is you're pretty much right. Eric, good morning. Oh yeah, Alina. Yeah, they are. They for sure they're aware of the naked shorting. Um, they've known about it from day one. Um, the reason why I know that is because the last, not the last share count, the count before that. No, the count before that. AA went. Remember, he was supposed to do his share count live. Well, he did do it live, but he just didn't show back up on the channel. He was gonna. He went to do the count, and he never came back. All you seen was that one video of him leaving the thing and going and meeting with the SEC with his lawyer. Okay, so AA went and is smart enough not to fucking say anything. He went. There was a big problem. Okay, they found a huge amount of fraud shares, fraudulent activity on the market, which is frauding his company. That is ripping his company off, right? So it's not good for him. It sucks, man. They don't want fraud shares out there, right? They're losing so much money. So he had to. He just privately went and met with the SEC, with his lawyer, probably a team of lawyers, and had to show what he found, right? That's why it took up to a week to get those numbers, right? And that's why he was skirting around, oh, the count was just for Canada and the States. We didn't do overseas. And then we did overseas, and then he was all fucked up, right? So it is what it is. So the answer to that is, if it goes down to like even $2, they can't just they can't just get out of this thing, okay? They could like and just walk away and say, "Oh fuck!" It's like if you don't pay your taxes, I'll just pay it down the road and pay interest on it. Fuck it, just take my car back. I don't give a shit. Just take my car. At like a car lot, if you don't pay it, it's not like that. They'll come after everything you own, like your house, everything, man. If you can't pay it, your fucking your family has to pay it, right? Like your common law, whoever's in on your title and stuff, right? It's pretty bad. And then they'll garnish your wages. Yeah, it's bad, man. It's fraud. It's to the highest level. So, anyways, what happens is they have to even if it goes to like say $2, it's not going to go that low, of course not. But if it goes down as low as it even could go, they have to get original shares to replace those. Okay, those lenders want, and they can tell, they want the real ones. They don't want synthetics. Right, that's like you ask, like you lent somebody a car, right, a high-end car he's going to pay you to drive it, right, lease it out to him, and he brings it back with no motor in it, and goes, here's the car back. I just pushed it. I got it towed over here. You don't mind if there's no motor in it, do you? Nah, it's okay, man. I really didn't want a motor in my car, man. It's all good. I'll just look at it for the rest of my life. See, like that. So. Upon they won't buy them back. They can tell what's real and what's not, my friend. The hedge funds can tell. Okay, that's what the problem with the whole thing with the stock market. That's what the whole movement is over. Okay, that originally what the movement was over is there's so much stuff that is against the retail investor. We can't see what real shares are. There's a lot of stuff hidden. It's set up to fucking steal money off of us. It's not a fair market. So that's what the start of the movement was in the beginning, and then it expanded, right? There's a whole bunch of contributing factors to it, but that's what the kit and caboodle of it is, the main core, and then it goes off with the dark pool and a whole bunch of shit, ladder attacks, just all of it. But the brokers can see, the hedge funds can see, and the institutions can see, and AMC Financial can see. AMC Entertainment Financial, the financial division, they're all logged there. They can see. Okay, so there's only a little bit of people that can see out of that, and that's what the problem is. Lord Kong, welcome, brother. So yeah, the problem is there's tons of shares out there still. The hedge funds could just go to their broker and just buy them. Well, they're synthetics, right? So that's the problem. That's what causes a squeeze, right? Yeah, it is pawn. It's corrupt. Cam, do you think if they halt AMC, maybe other stocks will squeeze as well? There's going to be a bunch of things happening. I don't really know, but we're gonna have a snowball effect, my friends. I kind of really don't want to talk. I kind of know what's going to happen. It's just I don't want to be putting too much stuff out there. I want to keep you guys focused, okay? Things are going to be kicking, okay? Sundial, okay? And I don't care what anybody says. Oh, hey, Sundial's dead. It's from my country. I know how big Sundial. It's one of the biggest marijuana stock companies in the whole country, and they bought up like 20 different companies. They bought up the whole country. Okay, and they grow for the government. So I know firsthand, same as BlackBerry. I know firsthand about these things. They're going to kick. Okay, I don't know how much. All those things are going to kick. BlackBerry's going to kick. They're going to kick, and then they're going to crash. Okay, so that's what it's. And we don't know how much they're going to kick. I just don't want you guys all diverting, because that's what we don't want. Just concentrate on your one thing. I know you have Sundial stuff and BlackBerry, and some of you guys are into microvision. All those things that are shorted and that they have problems getting synthetics for, I mean, real shares for. It's not just AMC. It's worldwide. Okay, like world market wide. I meant to say. So all these things are gonna kick. You're gonna. That's why I said that if you guys are gonna like a lot of these plays, you don't even. I kind of was waiting for the squeeze to happen because I wanted to see the looks on your faces. Because you're in AMC, but I know almost everybody is in other plays, right? The one thing I can't really see is going to kick is coin, okay? Crypto, it's not going to do the same thing as these other stocks. It's not a stock. It's a coin, okay? It's not an entity. It's connected to a digital blockchain. It's totally different. It's totally different. Okay, it is going to have its time, but not now. Okay, but yeah, things are going to rip. So it is what it is. You're going to do good on AMC, and I know, I know you guys are hard into Sundial, and Sundial's going to go up. It's going to go up, and it's probably going to go about what is it right now? What is little Sundial doing today? I just would like to check stuff out. Okay, it's 57 cents, so it's going to go 100% would be $1.20. It's going to go about 1,000%. So about, that'd be like 10, that'd be $12 around there, a little bit more. Is that right, guys? Add the zeros. 100%, 1,000. Yeah, that's right. So if it went up 1,000% right now, that'd be about $5. My math is off. Sorry, guys, I'm fucked up. But you know what I mean? Just add the zeros to it. Okay. I could see it going up 1,000 to maybe 3,000 or 4,000. Okay. And that's what I'm trying to say is it's going to go up into about the 25, maybe $40, $50 range. Okay. Probably not much higher. Okay, guys? And that's fucking huge. Okay, that's huge. You're the dog. Yes, it can, Gloria. It can. Yeah, it can. Just guys, don't get all veering off of your AMC target. Okay, those are bonus things. Okay, like this. Just concentrate on AMC. When the other stuff starts kicking, I've already got the stuff taken care of for you guys. Okay, it's already taken care of. I just don't want you guys to branch off. Just concentrate on the big pot here. Okay, and all this little stuff will be kicking on the side. Like you guys are going to be rewarded for all this bullshit that's been happening to you guys. Okay. Okay, my friends, do you have any other questions? Any other questions from my friends, my brothers and sisters? Don't be surprised if AA dumps some more shares in the next couple days. It's a good thing, okay? And you guys are like, what the fuck is he on now? Cameron, what are you doing? It is our catalyst, believe it or not. Think about that one for a while. If he dumps his shares in the next couple days, I know the squeeze is going to be in the next month. Okay, what's the next install? Excuse me. Sorry, guys. Just bear with me. I know you guys are like, what the hell is he talking about AA? Yeah, Sundial's at 57 right now. Cents. Are you guys going to grab more shares? MC? I'm not. No. I'm not. But one thing I do want to talk to you guys about, we're going to have lots of time to talk, okay? The stock market is, what is it, open 7 hours a day roughly, right? You guys can buy more. Yeah, whatever. I'm just speaking for myself. Um, you guys do whatever you want, man. It's on fucking sale. She could go a little bit lower. I really can't see it going lower than 2022. That's pretty much our bottom. That's a huge resistance level there, or support. Okay, it would be this. It'd be our huge floor, right? There's a lot of resistance there. It's probably gonna ting and keep on bouncing off of that. Like that is a huge area. Um, this is all we already knew about all this, right? Do you know what's happening? I bet you AA's dumping the rest of his shares right now. Somebody's dumping shares. Guaranteed somebody's unloading right now. We're going to hear about it in a couple days. Not a problem, my friend. Welcome. Welcome. If you watch my last podcast about AA dumping the shares, if they were institutional shares, AMC shares, like actual incorporated shares from the company, like executives, like their shares as a kit and caboodle, the company ones, not personal shares, that would be a negative. That I would have been pissed right off. It would have been bad. I would have been second guessing the squeeze. Seriously, I would have been second guessing the squeeze. I probably would have been thinking about cashing out, okay, and just covering half my money and just pulling my tail between my legs. Right? I would still have kept on the channel for you guys, but it didn't, because that would have sucked. That would have fucked us bad, right? But he didn't. They're his own shares, same as his family. There's other family members that are their own shares. Okay, I'll just explain it like I did on the channel a little bit. Because they're personal shares, if this thing squeezes, which he knows it is going to, if he cashes out in the middle of a squeeze, he will probably get fired, reprimanded, be smeared all over the world as the most crooked CEO in the world. He'll probably lose his house, his dog, his wife, everything he owns, his retirement, all of his pensions through AMC, and have, for every share that he sold in that squeeze, is fraud. Okay, it's up to 7 years jail time if convicted. Okay, yeah. So I don't know what 500 some odd thousand indictable offenses. Yeah, that's pretty serious shit. I don't think anybody could get out of that one. So that's why he dumped ahead of time. Because it's not that he can't. He's allowed to sell in the middle of a squeeze, but I don't really care for the guy. I dislike him, okay? But he is probably one of the world's smartest CEOs out there, okay? So by this is probably the out of everything that he's done, like everything, the NFTs, all that's all bullshit. That's all fucking crap. That's to make him money. It's nothing to do. It doesn't help us at all. Okay. Yeah. It just okay. What started it was Evergrande. Okay. As soon as that came onto the table, he had a meeting with his family and relatives, and told the other company members, if you have personal shares, dump them, because after this squeeze, I wouldn't recommend selling them, because this is the legalities. If you sell them in the middle of a squeeze, it's called you're hurting. You plan this squeeze. There's so many negatives against you. It doesn't look good. You're making money off of fucking the company at a bad angle when it's getting in a short squeeze. Short squeezes aren't good, okay? They're bad, but they're not. Do you understand what I'm saying? They're not good for the company, okay? The company makes money on it, essentially from people buying shares, but with all the synthetics, they're losing money. Does that make any sense? And then there's always a repercussion after the squeeze. The stock collapses, and it usually goes lower than it was before. The statistics show. He knows that his company's going to be worth, and you guys can think whatever you want. I have my beliefs, and I know I'm right on this. It could take some time, but his company isn't worth anything, okay? Because of the economy. He's already had problems before COVID. Yes, going to the movie theaters is awesome, okay? It's cool, right? They have some good screens out here now. He only owns 10% of all of it real estate. The rest is leased. The screens are leased, okay? I think he owns all these new fucking COVID-19 HEPA filters. I think they own those. They're probably leased too, right? They don't own the parking lots, okay? Theaters are a thing that are going to be starting getting tearing down, okay? Those parking lots are worth a fucking fortune, man. They can put more stores in there, and you guys know the gist of it, right? I know he's trying to change it and start streaming from the house, new movies to your house and all that stuff, but it's always been on a decline since streaming and internet came out. It's been a negative. The only people that are keeping this going is our generation, okay? The younger generation, like my kids and stuff like that, they don't fucking care. They might go to the movie once in a while, but their kids, they won't even know what a movie theater is, okay? So I'm a realist on that aspect, okay? So you can think whatever you want on it, right? I just have my beliefs. So this is his retirement, man. He's done. So this is his last shot to throw it out, because if he waits till after the squeeze, he's not going to get anything. Why in the fuck would he sell his shares at $20, $25, or $7? Think about it. Think about that one. Okay. Okay. If you understand, okay. I'm gonna go answer some questions, my friends. I just had to explain that to you guys, right? I just want you guys to be educated. Like I spend a lot of time in reading a lot of fucking dry, fucking boring shit that I don't even fucking care about, just to get little inklings of fucking positive or factual information out of it, okay? And it all put together. So just you have to look at it from a business point of view. like I called out the NTF things. I told you I told you it was gonna go down when they came out. Same as when we have a positive fucking thing. The company's doing good. They're out of bankruptcy. Fuck, we're ahead of all of our monies. We're doing good. AMC and the fucking stock goes down 10%. It always does, right? Because people don't care about movie theaters, okay? It's not a part of everybody's life. It's something that you go to once in a blue moon, right? It's more because we're not allowed to go out that people crave that stuff, but there's not that many people go to the theaters anymore, guys, to be honest with you, right? I'm not trying to be an asshole. I'm just a realistic person, okay? You might go, well, I fucking go to the theater. But yeah, that's you, right? I've only fucking been in the theater maybe 50 times in my whole life. Okay. So yeah, MC, that's up to you, my friend. We're gonna talk about some other stuff here, guys. We're gonna talk about halting, okay, and then we're gonna get into some channeling, okay. I'm gonna tiering, channel the tiers, okay. I'm gonna show you guys how to predict a stock like AMC, where all indicators, data means fuck all, okay. That's why if you try predicting this stuff, and everybody says the Elliott system, the Elliott system, there's a whole bunch of stuff. The Tesla fucking theory, the Chinese theory. All of these things have been, some of them are hundreds of years old. They've all been used before. And then all of a sudden somebody go, oh, I just cracked this and I made this. That stuff's been out and covered. It all looks good for about a month, maybe a couple weeks till a month, and then it all dies, okay? All of it does. Do you know why? Because there is contributing factors that are fucking with this shit. Dark pool, ladder attacks, high frequency trading, human error, okay? You cannot predict these stocks. You have to predict them off of channeling, off of what the humans are putting in for their options, okay? And what the computers are actually, what's happening with the vibrations of the algorithm. That's the only way you can do this, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys, okay? I'm gonna show you my little secret here, and it's nothing top secret, but it's a lot of people don't know it, man. And little things like that. I wouldn't be using it for stocks besides AMC. I wouldn't be using it on other stocks. I feel like selling AMC 20.5 is my max pain limit. Yeah, Aaron, I know. Brady, I feel for you, dude, because yeah, I know. That's your personal story. I'm not going to talk about it live stream, but I know. Fuck. Trust me. When I had over 100 and some odd thousand in my account, I'll show you guys what I'm down to right now. I'm very transparent with you guys. Eric, oh, never mind. Email me or Christopher, can you throw your email up on the chart and I'll post it? I'll pin it, please. Thank you, brother. Actually, send it to, if you already sent it to me, it's fine. But if you want to send it to Christopher's, better, because then I don't have to forward it over. But you should probably send me one too, so I can put your email into the master list. In case there's an emergency or something, I send out a major emergency notification, and then it's in case we have to all meet up at once or something. I have installed WebEx. Is it something more I must do? No, you just when we go to meeting, you just go on there and put the codes in and all that stuff. Can an event in the world stop the squeeze? Can an event in the world stop the squeeze? Yeah. For sure. A big fucking earthquake or a natural disaster that wipes out the stock market and everybody around it. Yeah, there's things in the world. You asked, but there is. Yes, there's human catastrophe stuff. I know. I'm just joking around. Yes. What we're just going to get into, halting, violation, halts, lawsuits can stop the squeeze. It's a very high chance that we could enter. We're going to be entering. Okay. The halting was the next topic I was going to talk about today. All for the next couple weeks, I'm going to be talking about a couple topics each day. Okay, so we're going to do halting, the two different types of halting, and then the 30-day and the year. And yes, you heard me. They can halt it. They can put it on standby for up to a year. Okay, they can't go any longer than that. Okay, they're 10 to 15 minute breakers. I think 30. I think sometimes on a 30, but they have to have a proposal. I think to the. I think they have to write up a letter to ask permission on that one. I'm talking about a vibration breaker that they don't hit a button. The computer does it automatically. Okay, off the vibrations of like what's happening. Those are normal. Okay, there's good ones and there's bad ones. Okay. We'll get into it, and yes, this stock can be halted for 30 days. Okay, it's happened lots on the market. Okay, in situations like this, we're going to be spending about 70 to 80% of our time. We're going to be in halt. Okay, guys, just so you know that. Okay, especially when she gets ripping. We're going to have a lot of time to sit and talk. So Samuel, good question, my friend. Good question. Yes, the government can seize it, but it'll eventually still, when the government sees it, everything stops. There's no trading on it. There's no shorts covering. It's stopped. Okay, or else, if you're fucking you're screwing around with evidence and shit, man. That's nobody wants to be caught doing that, man. Like you're covering up scenes of a crime and all that stuff. Like it's so, yeah. So we've already been preparing for that. Okay, I've already put that out there. That's why we have the 3-system selling feature, my friends. That's how it was invented by me, because of this 30-day, not the year, but the 30-day cool-off period, okay, or an investigation, or whatever the fuck they want to call it, okay. That's why I have the level 1, okay, the first out of the 3, right, the first tier, second tier, and third tier, okay. I told you I was the original that came up with that shit, man. Like, go back way back into my videos, okay. I don't care what anybody says. That I came up with that system because I was losing money on the market, and I had to come up with something. And yeah, and I was really worried about. I knew synthetics, and I've been yeah. This is all this information. I knew about all this before, like 6-7 months ago. What we're talking about now, okay? It's just when I talked about it, I got fucking people come on my channel, disrespect me. You're a FUD. You're a shell. You're trying to break up the movement. No, man, I'm trying to educate people. And now look it. See, it's almost all coming true, right? So it's pretty sad, actually. And the only thing I'm trying to do is just help people, right? So it is what it is. I've come to the point, if you don't like it, then you don't have to be on the channel, right? That's the way it is. If you want to hang out, fucking let's chill out, right? Okay, good morning. Thanks for these prices. Yeah, no kidding, citizen. Any idea what price they're going to cover at? Nope. Thomas, nope. Nobody knows. Nobody knows, my friend. Yes, I do. It's the fear tier. They're going to be covering in the fear tier. Exactly. I know around what range they're going to start covering. Pawn, I can't answer that live stream, my friend. I can't. That's definitely fuck. That for me, that's a lawsuit, dude. You know that, dude. You've been on the channel long enough, my friend. Anybody else can answer that on here for him if you want to. We shouldn't be talking about that stuff, my friends, on here. There's that's what the VIP room's for, Pawn. I'm not giving you shit. I'm not, and I know lots of other people do it on their channels, but it is what it is. You have to remember, I'm Canadian. Our laws are a little bit different up here for that, and they go by the laws where I'm broadcasting, not to where you guys are. But you guys can talk on there. I can't get in shit for that, right? Okay. And Pawn, that's a good question, my friend. I was waiting for you, Sanjay, to what the fuck? Okay. I was fucking with you guys to see if you were paying attention to me. Okay, the fear tier. The fear tier is between, and this is the, and I said this way before everybody else too talked about this. The hedges will start covering about the $80, $83, $88 range. The smaller firms, okay, and probably some of the bigger firms, because they want the fuck out of this, and some of these people just want their shares back, man. These original owners, they're done with this shit. The same as with they watch all this stuff too. They're tired of it. They want their money back. A lot of them are hurting because of COVID, man. They're losing their businesses. It's affecting everybody. The price of food's going up, insurance is going up, gas is going up. They want their shares back, but They can't just get them back right now. That's the problem. So the fear tier starts around 83, 82, 83, 85 in that range. Okay, that's the bottom. And the top would be probably about 120, 130 in there, somewhere around there, maybe 150. I'll be generous in that range. And that's the fear tier. That's like, holy fuck. If we can get up to that number, and if we can get enough gamma and FOMO to get us up there, because that's what we're going to need. We're definitely not going to do it with volume, right? Yeah, which of course it will turn into volume. But you know what I'm saying. Not from just people buying shares every day. It's not going to happen like that. But what's going to happen is that's going to start it, right? And they're going to go, the fucking institutions are going to be like, holy shit. And they're going to be fucking just battling it out after hours, man. You have to remember there's no breakers after hours. So that's where we're going to see those big numbers come from, guys. We might be at like $200 or $300 maybe for the first couple of days, and all of a sudden you wake up one morning and we're at multiple thousands. Okay, I can't put a number exactly on it. And you're like, holy fuck, because there's no breaker. It can go as high as it wants, right? And that's where we're going to get our big climbs. There you go. Keep on, yeah. Yeah, Pawn, you have a lot of friends on here, man. You've been here for a while, dude. They'll help you out with that. But we can talk about that stuff on our own server, right? That's what the other channels for. I disclosed my last night. I disclosed all my figures live. What I'm doing. I have a 3-system selling feature, plan A and a plan B. Depends on what the sweeps are like, right? So, whoa. So my friends, the fear tier, that's exactly what it is. Okay. And yeah, I just made that up yesterday, but that's what I call it, the fear tier. Cause that's like, holy shit. And yeah, they're going to fucking the same as us. When we look at it, we're down to 12%. See, told you guys. When did I say it was going to do this? About 3 months? 2 months? About 2 months ago, I said it was going to be down this low. Right? I think so. Ali, what's up? Cam, a month ago, I asked if the most would happen this year or next. You said 65. No, I didn't say a percentage. I never do, for one thing. And I said January or February. That's right. It's going to happen next year, my friend. Right? Dude, the end of the... Okay, yeah. I didn't read the rest of your comment. I was like, oh, dude, come on. December is January. Okay? The end of December, and yes, it's because of Evergrande. I didn't know that was going to happen, my friend. And yes, that's our catalyst. We have them all. The catalysts are there, guys. It's going to go, right? It has to. Evergrande is number 2 on Citadel's portfolio. Look at my portfolio. Look at my stocks and shit, okay? You guys know which ones are mine and which ones aren't. Some of these are just ones we're keeping an eye on. But, Ali, this is beautiful stuff, man. Thank you for bringing that to... but yeah, I don't... I didn't put... I know for a fact I didn't put a percent on there because I don't legally do that. Okay, what I said is... and I'm glad that you remembered that, dude. That's awesome stuff. I said, hey, I don't believe... And I could have over 3,000, 4,000 people can vouch for that, right? And there's 53 on here right now. I said in August, September, the squeeze is not going to happen this year. A short squeeze is a planned event. It takes about a year and a bit, okay? All of them have taken a year. Everyone in history, okay? The shorts have to cover, and the thing is, technically the year was November when this started, okay? I didn't buy until January, but I'm using it as of January. So December is like over, dude. It's like over in a couple, 2 weeks. I've always been very, very transparent with everybody. I don't know a factual date. I've never, ever, ever said that this is the date right here. I've never said that. This is what I always say. If it happens in December, I will be happy as hell and I'll take that. I would fucking love it. Especially in 2 days because it's my birthday. Okay? So, yeah. But I still think January or February. Okay? More like January. But because of Evergrande, you nailed it, right, my friend? I'm not giving you shit or anything like that. Because the last little bit of the conversation, you cleared it up. I was like, I didn't read the last one. I'm like, over. It's all good, my friend. You're allowed to ask. It's just that you have to remember I have a photographic memory when it comes to numbers and videos and stuff, right? I know exactly what I say and shit. No, T, I didn't see that one. 600 shares and waiting. Yeah. Pawn, you gotta you go get that WebEx thing. You gotta come to our channel, dude. I gotta talk to you, bro. You're fucking stressing, bud. You can't. Do you smoke weed, dude? Do you smoke weed? I'm just being as a friend. If not, then I'm no disrespect, but if you do, go smoke a joint, have a coffee, go buy your something that you like. If you want to have a drink, sit down and just relax. Watch the last couple videos of mine. Watch the first, second, and third. Part 1, 2, 3, getting ready for the share recovery, and relax, man, and just internalize those videos, dude. Yeah, Lloyd, I heard about it. Yes. Oh, hey, Lloyd. Sorry. Yes, this 36930 Ingram, but yes, that's been around for a long time. You're going back to not Einstein, Tesla. I think, wasn't it Tesla, the 369, or no, he wasn't the math one. Einstein. See, remember I just mentioned before, you weren't on here. I just mentioned before that the Elliott wave, there's a whole bunch of them that I keep on saying that one because that's the first one that comes to my, all of these systems, that these ways to read stock, the MA, the macro, all that stuff is old as hell. Okay. And you'll see these YouTube channels pop up. Oh man, I got this, and look at this thing, and this is how you do it. Look at the matrix on the numbers from the options. It comes up as a 3 every 4 times. Yeah, that's coding. It's been there forever, right? If you can pick that shit, I'm really good with numbers too. Like, as you know, I made a trader bot. It can pick that shit out too. I can see matrix all the time on that stuff. But are they still talking about it now? No. See, it died off. It only works for a certain while, and then it doesn't work on AMC. It'll work for a little bit, but there's too many things fucking with it. Like humans, like dark pool, ladder attacks, high frequency trading. I already mentioned this today, but it's still around that same question. Proud? Okay. Yeah, Saturday I was working. Yeah, okay, Lloyd. Um, did you watch the video from last night, my friend? Yeah, that's right, Tess. This is planned. This is planned. Look, go back, guys. Go. Oh no, it doesn't show you on there. It doesn't show you on there. October 23rd, 2008, Volkswagen squeeze. 23rd? I think it was the 23rd. I do have the video live on the front of my channel, but it doesn't cover you. Go put the charts up. Go put this up a month to a couple of weeks before the Volkswagen squeeze happened. The numbers are the same. Not the actual numbers, but the charts look the same. Identical. The downpulls and everything. Guys. So yeah, the numbers, what Lloyd, what you're saying is, I know who those numbers came from. Yes, that's a mathematical person with that thinks numbers. Calculating mind, kind of like myself, but that's more something theory. Pockethin theory. Pockethin theory. I can't pronounce it. Fuck. I hate my accent sometimes. It's really complex. It's like Einstein shit, but we're better. That's Jay Ingram stuff. Yeah, it's okay. I know you're alone. Yeah. It's all good. I know you're alone. I know that. I know, buddy. It's just sometimes when you spend, I'm, besides you guys, you might think, holy fuck, he's into talking all that. Besides this, I only have a handful of friends, and that's my choice, okay? I have that for a reason, right? Because I'm fucking smart. Because the average person doesn't have anything to offer me, okay? As a friendship, right? The average person wants something from you, okay? I'm not talking to you guys. I'm talking about people you meet. They want something from you. They get jealous or steal off you. They manipulate you. They're deceitful. They're not honest, okay? They're negative energy. They send negative vibes out there, okay? They want to bang your old lady. No, I'm just joking. I'm just being an ass. I'm just joking around. They are thinking a way to how to manipulate you, to take your money, to set you up, that's life, man, right? So I have like a fucking armor plate in between me. I have maybe about 10, 12, maybe, not even that. Close friend. I'm not talking you guys, right? But close friends that I talk to, and I have about 5 or 6. And you guys are all thinking, oh, that's pretty sad. No, that's my choice. So, Pon, I can relate to what you're talking about. I don't need to be popular like that, right? I don't need that. Some people need to have lots of friends and all that Facebook and have to be in the center of stuff to make themselves feel important, okay? And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just I don't need that to feel important in life, right? I'm not saying everybody's like that, okay? I'd say about every 5,000 people I meet, 2,000 people I meet, maybe one good person out of it. It's pretty sad. It's pretty fucking sad, man. And then part of it is they end up knowing me, right? And then the real me, and then they realize that they can't get nothing out of me, right? Or if they do, they'll get their teeth smashed down their throat, right? Because I'm a nice guy, but I can also I can be very serious on one end, like flip switch like this, and it is just the way I am. It was the way I was raised. I told you guys I was all raised by bikers and shit, right? For 2 generations back, right? And then my dad was killed when I was young. He crashed his Harley, right, 3 kilometers from my house, right? When I was probably about 16 years old. And then it was me and my mom, man. Yeah, so I had to grow up pretty fast, and yeah, that's why I'm street smart. I'm not talking in the way to make illegal money. Of course, I've seen that shit, yeah, but I know smart street smarts to stay away from that shit. You don't need to fucking go down that way. It's not gonna get you anywhere. Okay, just that's why I always say number one, pay your taxes right away. Okay, it's just there's reasons for that stuff. Okay, you want to be a good person in society. So it is what it is, right, man? I'm a hard apple to chew sometimes, right, man? Like as the saying goes. That's why either you'll click with me on the channel or you'll think I'm annoying, which I don't really care, right? Because I am annoying. I know myself sometimes, right? Or you fucking don't like me, right? And that's good. That's good because I like it when people don't like me, right? Because then they don't bother me. I'm just joking. No, but it is what it is. I don't try to pretend I'm somebody I'm not, right? So anyways, guys, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. But a lot of you are like me. I know that for a fact because the same people gravitate towards the same people. Okay? Thanks, Dee. And that's why we get along, sweetie. That's why we get along so well. And that's why, yeah, with our talks and stuff, it's like we're family. Well, we are. No, it's all good. Don't worry about that. Don't say sorry. I know, Pawn. It just shows your character, man. It shows your character. You're not going to hurt anybody except yourself with the taxes. Like, you gotta. Like, that's just... and trying to get ahead by ripping people off, and it shows your character. Like, if you're trying to scam the government out of a little bit of money, it shows your character. I don't... If I see somebody stealing, that is the number one no-no with me, right? That's why I have a fucking hard on right now for the sorry, ladies, for the fucking stock market right now, right? I'm not done. I'll probably have 3 or 4 class actions lawsuits against the stock market when I'm done, right? I just can't really talk about that shit, but yeah. And you guys, all my videos are compiled. This is all, like, I have a law library. This thing's documenting every minute. You think that they document shit like that for court? These companies and shit? No, fuck no. Oh, wow. Yep, they do MC, yeah. So we're going to get into some... I just had to put that on the table. I've never actually talked about my character like that. That's why I can see through a lot of these people that say they're street smart and play the role. Okay? And you guys know who I'm talking about. Some of the people, okay? And some of the one person in general. I'm not going to mention any names. He's not real, okay? Some of it is, and I'm talking about, I'm not putting anybody down because it's a character flaw. I can tell when somebody's trying to be somebody they're not, okay? Because they try too hard, okay? It's entitlement issues, okay? It is what it is, and it starts from when you're a kid and you're picked on, right? Or you have nothing and you have to make yourself out to be somebody you're not, okay? It carries you into, those are traits you build. You carry those on in adulthood, and they can actually do damage to you, okay? So I can spot that stuff a mile away, because I have a couple of friends like that, and I love them. They're my friends. But do I talk to them and call them? Yeah, I do. But I just want to tell you that that's why I can pick some of the shit from a mile away, right? It is what it is. But yeah, I just wanted to explain my character a bit, guys. It is what it is, right? Because I'm very protected. Like, even my wife says that all the time. I'm just reading your guys' questions here, man. Beautiful. Thank you, guys. I have the screen recorder on my iPad, but it's blurry. Okay, Alina. What do you mean it's blurry? I don't understand how it's blurry. Like it records blurry? That would be something wrong with your... I will... What I can always do is I can go on a Google chat meeting with you, and we can work it out. We'll figure something out. If it's blurry, it doesn't... If you can see the numbers still and it can record your voice and your keystrokes, if it can still record that, that's good enough for court. Okay? Cam, okay. Cam, what if they buy all the real shares? What happens to the synthetics? That's the problem. Insurance companies are stuck paying it. That's the worst. That's the best case scenario. The worst case scenario is they get returned at the price you bought them for. That's the worst case scenario. And that's when you have to go to court. And that's why you got to have a screen recorder recording your shares. Because if you don't have that information, the bank and the broker where you bought them from is going to go, oh shit, we didn't know they were fraudulent. They can't see if they are or not. It's the brokers that can, right? So, that's concerning. That's why I've mentioned that before. I've done that on videos months ago on that, and we just talked about that about a month ago when we were talking about computer shares and all that stuff. These synthetics are a big fucking problem, and they don't even know how many are out there, and nobody's going to be held liable for it. It's just going to hurt us, okay? It's going to hurt insurance companies. So what's going to happen is they're insured. Yes, they're insured. Okay. Forget about this national fucking reserve of money and shit, the gold. Forget about all that stuff. Somebody said something. Oh, the reserve will... The U.S. has this reserve of money that they're going to fucking go in. Yeah, they're going to start carving fucking pieces of gold off and give you chunks. It's not going to happen like that, okay? Don't worry. The States isn't as rich as they say they are. Trust me, Canada isn't either. Not after COVID. So the thing is the insurance companies are an insurance company, okay? Insurance companies are insured by insurance companies, okay? Does that make any sense? You probably already know that, right? They all bid on insurance premiums. Okay, so if... I really don't want to get into this because this is a touchy subject. This irritates a lot of people. But it's factual information, and it pisses me off too because I'm one of the candidates that it could affect. The best case scenario is you get back what you paid for your shares, okay? So say if you bought your shares at $40, you have a synthetic, okay? Squeeze happens, you go to cash it in, you get a fucking weird message on the thing, or they halt it for 30 days, like I'm saying, right? It starts ripping and then they're reeling, holy shit, this synthetic shit. They halt it for 30 days for internal investigation for the fraudulent, the synthetics, right? And yes, they can do that because of fraud. Fraud trumps. It's a high charge, man, in the court. Fraud is going to pull the buy button off, okay? Back in GME, that buy button was pulled off by Robinhood. We all know that bullshit. That is totally different scenario, okay? That was a douchebag move, okay? That was fucked. He didn't have enough money. Totally different. Sorry, ladies, for swearing. I shouldn't have said that. Fuck, I gotta stop saying that. I'm just used to being a tradesman on talking. So anyways, totally different. I am very, very for this, that my beliefs in this, that the reason how they can do it, and no, you can't sue them for doing it. No judge will honor that fucking indictment for you to do that because there's fraud involved. They're going to use it to their advantage, and they're going to pull the card, the fraud card. Okay, they're going to say there's so many fraudulent shares out here. We need to pull this fucking buy button. We don't want more people buying fraudulent shares because that's all that's left. The real shares have been, as you guys know, there is none left. So you think the government is, when this is exposed, they're going to let you keep on swing trading fucking fraud shares? No, 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 no. Soon as the first person admits the fucking synthetics, we don't know who it's going to be, right? It's just their SEC is going to put a notification as of this time, this date, no more shares are sold. It'll go right across the whole market. Okay, every broker, every entity, that's it. It'll be done. You only be able to sell. You will not be able to buy. Okay, I'm almost positive on that. Okay, that's the only way that they can stop that. Okay, and then these things are insured. Yes. For instance, you hurt yourself, okay? Workers' compensation, or no, okay, sorry, that's a bad example. You smash your car up, okay? Your car's worth like 30 grand, okay? You just bought it like fucking 3 days ago. You smashed it up. It was your fault. You just did something stupid. You dropped your roach down and you on your lap, and you're looking, bang! You fucking smash into something. I'm just trying to make you guys laugh. So anyways, you go to the insurance company. They're not going to give you what that car's worth. You know that, right? Right? That's just how it happens. It's not worth. It's been in an accident. They're not going to give you what the car is worth because of depreciation value. The same thing's going to happen with the share shit. You're not going to get what you're. Yeah, it's you're gonna have to go to court. It's just, we're not gonna go down this road. And yes, I already have all the fucking documents. Everything's ready to go if we have to. I didn't want to really talk. I'm just gonna get a little bit in light on that because I was asked a question. But that is like a 4-hour topic, especially the way I go off on shit. Okay, so we got to get focused back on this channeling. I just wanted to tell you, yes, that's a big fucking problem. Okay, and yes, I am probably going to be the main one running the fucking class action lawsuit up in Canada, okay? And we'll need somebody, because I'm not American, somebody in the States will have to launch their own, okay? Or there'll be multiple, okay? And in a class action lawsuit, you're going to need factual information. There's only going to be a handful of us. Everybody's going to be using, oh, my shares. I snapshotted them. They're on my broker. I snapshotted them. That don't mean shit, okay? Doesn't prove anything, right? But if you're screen recorded and you're trying to sell them and all that stuff, that is factual information. It's recording keystrokes and everything, voice recognition. Remember, talk guys, like, oh man, it won't go through. It picks that stuff. So anyways, I just wanted to touch down on that. We'll cross that bridge if it comes. Let's just concentrate on the squeeze. Yes, there's a whole fucking nightmare on there's a devil on the other side. Okay? A mean one. Okay? We're not going to go down that street. And if we do, yes, I'll probably be representing us up in Canada. Okay? Because I got all the fucking documentation. This is all documented. Okay? And okay, I'll get way down here. Okay. Yes, they are. Oh, whoa, sorry. I answered something. We own or borrow money from the Federal Reserve and we pay tax to pay it back. Yeah, I know, citizen. I'm just joking around. It's all bullshit. It's all fucking bullshit, man. It's all bullshit. Same as Canada's fucking just as stupid. They went and printed more fucking money. Way more money, man. And that's going to put us in a fucking... It's totally not good. It's totally not good. No, Pawn. No, they don't. No. transfer shares to another broker, do they need to be real? No, because they don't know if they're real or not. Sorry guys, I don't know who that is. No, because the broker, when you say broker, like, okay, my bank is classed as a broker, okay, but they're not. They have a broker that's third party that works for them under their broker apps. Okay, if you're transferring from a broker to a broker, if you call up your broker, they're going to say, no, we don't use synthetics. They're all real. Well, then prove it to me. What's the number on the fucking ticket? So I can call AMC Financial, AMC Entertainment Holdings Financial, and run the fucking number on it to see if it's real. They will not give you that number. But yet they'll swear up and down that they're real. Okay? We don't deal in fraudulent, because if they admit that, they're fucked, right? That they just committed fraud, man. So yeah, they transfer it back and forth. The whatever people were saying there for a while. Oh, if I transferred from Robinhood or Webull to Fidelity only has real shares. They don't. Yeah, bullshit. So it is what it is. The only way you can get real shares is computer shares. I've made a video on it. Dee was actually the young lady that actually did a lot of the running around and research on that, and she actually called a bunch of places. Me and Glock tried doing it, and that are real shares, and there's up to a 2-month waiting list to get shares. But there's a problem if they're in transition to get real shares and they're sitting there waiting for real shares to come along, because they are rare, and this thing squeezes, you're fucked until that order's full. You cannot cash out. Okay, guys? Did it hit 20? No. Okay. Thanks, T. Thanks, Citizen. I didn't know that. See, I don't know that much stuff. I'm just going off of... I bought my shares in January and February, okay? My shares should all be real. I don't think one of them are. I don't think any of our shares are real, guys. I'm not trying to scare you, but think about it. If the brokers and their family members can see, and institutions can see, and hedgies can see what are real, forget about the hedgies, just the institutions, okay? Don't you think they're going to pick through and pick all the real ones? Do you think they're going to hold fake ones? Fuck no. Okay? So just don't even go worry about that shit. I know that that myth of saying, oh, if you bought in January, February, you got real shares. It's not true. Okay? The reason why I know that is because and we don't have payment for order flow. It's illegal in Canada. Okay? So I know that my shares should be fucking real. Right? But I called my bank, TD. It's different than Amtrade. Okay? And I asked them to do a transfer to computer shares, and 2-month waiting list. So, well, fucking up to a month and a half, 2 months. Well, why? Because we have to track down real shares. Well, what do you mean real shares, right? And they're like, well, we have to get authenticated shares. And well, you guys have fraudulent shares. Well, no, we don't sell that stuff. It's just that, see, they caught them in a little bit of a pickle there. But I said, well, can't you just transfer my shares that I own just straight over as a lot? We don't do that. See? So there you go. I wouldn't worry about that shit, man. It is what it is. You guys are going to stress yourselves out. Just let's concentrate on one thing at a time. Okay? So yeah, about transferring, about that the new Fidelity or whatever, Fidelity's been caught in so many fucking lies. That's why I never pushed on it. I've never I just said, hey, that's up to you guys in the States what you do. I've never I never made videos to transfer Fidelity or any of that stuff because I don't know anything about them to do that, right? I would need to look into stuff. They have their own bullshit thing, all the bullshit going on with them. But what was I going to say? If you transfer from Robinhood to Fidelity, and Fidelity turns around and says, "Oh, we only take real shares," okay? Because they will say that when you call it. I mean, any broker or bank will, right? So, well, can you prove it to me? Well, no. Well, give me all the order numbers on my. I'm entitled to that. I own those shares. Actually, you don't own those shares. AMC owns those shares. They're lent to you. But anyways, so yeah, just try it, guys. Fucking check my information on it. See, prove me wrong. As a nice friendship thing, call and try to get those numbers. Get those digis on the top of your. Just tell me. Just give me 5 of them out of my couple thousand. They won't even be able to give you one. Oh, we can't legally do that. Well, why? They finally released our coin. It's a couple months old. It's out. Our crypto coin's out. Okay, anyways, guys. So, I'm not trying to get... Okay, Christopher can... Okay. Okay, I'm not trying to get you guys all fucked up and feared out. Just don't worry about this. We'll cross it, the bridge, if we come to it, okay? Just fucking don't worry about this shit. Just, you guys focus on this. We got some stuff you got to do in front of you, okay? Let's just not concentrate on that stuff. Like I said, the wolf pack has your fucking back, okay? And it is what it is. See, I don't even know why... Like, I put myself way out there, right? And you guys aren't even blood. You're just my friends, right? But that's in my demeanor to do that. That's why I was put on this world to do that, right? I'm a helper, right? So, an educator, right? So, not that I know everything. I always say that. I love information. I love learning, right? And what I like doing is... is finding the real stuff if you can. Some of it you'll never find the real stuff, but yeah, the stock market with all this corruption shit around, I kind of feel like at home. These guys aren't as good as for the average person that is. It depends on what lifestyle you were raised in. Not that I was raised in ripping people or anything like that. I'm just saying that the lifestyle I was raised in, this type of bullshit is around every day. Okay, you can see through it. Okay, you get jaded. It's called. It just bounces off you. The fucking, like, if there's a piece of poop on, I'm gonna say shit. If there's a piece of poop on the sidewalk there, would you walk around it or would you step in it? Like, you know what I mean? So it is what it is. Yeah, Sanjay, they won't admit. They're gonna say, yeah, they're real shares. They're making money. So if for instance Fidelity says, for instance, Robinhood or Webull, you sent your shares over, Fidelity turns around and says, hey, those are fake. That looks bad on both of them. That would fuck the whole thing up. That would cause them then. Fidelity would be under investigation. All their shares would be fucking. The SEC would be over there going through all the shares. And if there's fraudulent shares there, they would be shut the fuck down. It would collapse Robinhood, right? They're all in cahoots. They all fucking lend shares, and that's that payment for order flow fucking crap, shelving, vaulting. They all do it. They all work together. Don't kid yourself, okay? Don't kid yourself. The only way to do is computer shares, but I would not recommend that right now, my friends. I can't give you financial advice. I was just joking about the coin. Thank you for telling me. Ken's working on a... I'm just joking, Mr. L. That was fucking awesome, though. Okay, guys, these are brilliant fucking questions. Okay, let's just see our vote here. Who came back on the vote? We gotta vote here. Oh, fuck. Sorry, guys, for swearing here. What did the vote? Oh, there we go. Oh. Ah, shit. You guys hear that? That's titanium plates fucking cracking off of each other. Oh. Wow. That's crazy. My hands go numb. Like I paralyzed, like in, like paralyzed for half a second. It's weirdest feeling, man. Do you, okay, okay. Good, thank you. That's a good enough number there. Thank you for participating in my poll, my vote. Do you want me to make a podcast on how to use AZ Screen for the squeeze? Okay, yes. So I will be doing it. Proud. I was going to do it. I was going to contact you anyways, privately, and Alina. But I'll just make one out there, and I will actually record and I'll play it back, okay? And I'll show you guys how it does voice recognition, how it timestamps, how it does keystrokes, everything that I'm saying that it does. Holy fuck. Is this you, Sanjay? Somebody just hammering on me, man. Somebody's flirting with me on the stock market. Oh, fuck. These guys want me to buy this new Dodge truck, and I didn't know the price on it. It was 130 fucking grand. There's no way I'm spending that. I just asked about it. Oh, that was the guy from Alberta. Wow, that guy's good. Just give me a second, my friends. We're gonna get into oh, fucking dog hair everywhere. You were excited for a minute with this, Sanjay. Okay, please send your short videos. Oh, I just pinned that. Okay, guys. I should have done that earlier. Sanjay, you remind me tomorrow, buddy. In the morning and halfway through and at the end. Okay, guys. We got this Sanjay's doing 10, 15-second videos. It's for the channel. We're going to build a collage or a collab of videos together. A collage, I guess it would be called, for the channel. And it's going to be all spiced up and some cool shit effects added to it. Christopher's going to go off on it, right off on this stuff with his technology. And he's just going to like put it through a video splice and make it into some cool shit. So if you want to be part of that, we would love you to be. It doesn't matter. You can have your wife, kids, cats, dogs, animals, whatever you love. You can have your whole family. It can just be you. It can be just, I would like a picture of you, not just a shot of your house. And you can, whatever you want to say, right? Welcome to the wolf, or the wolf pack, part of the family, whatever you want to say. I'm just trying to give you like a couple things to help you out with, but put it in your own words. And this was Sanjay's idea. We just want to make everybody feel part of the family, because you are, okay? And I will be putting a video out there too. My wife doesn't want to be on live. I can understand. That's her thing, right? She's gonna film me. So we're just in the midst of, we should be done in the next day or two, our house. We got a lot of Christmas stuff, like lots. It takes a long time to put up. So, yeah, I'll make a video on that. And, yeah, thank you, Sanjay. It's good. And it'll be posted up on the channel for you guys. And then you guys can record it or download it and keep it for your... Okay. I entailed my fiddle. Okay, good. Good morning. It's Ace dot. No, it's not. It's only for Android. Apple has its own built into the phone device. Charlie B. Okay, my friends. Yeah, I'm just joking around with some of this stuff. When I'm joking around with stuff like that, I'm just trying to make it not so dry with some of the stuff I talk about. That's why I throw stupid shit in there sometimes, guys. But I always tell you afterwards what it is. Okay, awesome questions, my friends. Very fucking. You guys are. There's some very well educated people on here. Most of you, well, all of you are actually. Everybody that asks questions are fucking brilliant questions. Like everybody always thinks different, right? Which is good. Good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is show you guys how to channel. Okay. Manjeet is having problems getting on the channel. She can't message on the chat board. We had that problem with a couple other people. Charlie, wasn't that... Did you have problems? Jerry, Charlie, and Tess had problems on that. Hope the squeeze is still on. I'm freaking out here. 79, why are you freaking out? Why are you watching other YouTube videos? Are you watching other channels, dude? Don't pay attention to any of that shit, man. This is where it comes down to, you're gonna see who has your best interest. Okay, not that I'm in a fucking race or anything. I'm just being myself, right? I'm just being an annoying fucker, right? But it is what it is, right? Like, I don't come on here and pretend somebody I'm not, right? Because, like, what do I have to gain? Nothing, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, unsub and then resub again. If you're on here, Manjeet. And it's not on my end. I checked it before. It's nothing to do with me. It happens to a lot of channels. It's not just ours. What are we down to? Oh, we're back up again. See, I told you to crack off that. Okay, so it's gonna be a minute. I'm gonna put some information up here. We're almost on schedule. I'm gonna go off. We're gonna go to 9 o'clock. We're gonna go a little bit longer than we usually do. Yeah, they didn't pass the background check. But yeah, Boston Strong 79. I'm not putting you on the spot there, but are you stressed out because of what I'm talking about, dude? Help me out here. Well, there you go. Thank you, girl. Thank you. Thank you so much, D. You're such a good person. Well, you all are, but I have a soft spot for D. She's awesome. She's awesome. So, okay, guys, I'm gonna set up all this stuff here. I got to set up some software here. So just give me a minute. You're gonna see some weird shit going on with the screen here. Probably. And I will have that screen recorder out there for you guys. I will also put in the podcast that Apple PC. On a PC, you go and use your Xbox. Can you know Xbox, how PC Windows 10, 11 has Xbox built into it? The gaming notification bar, you know, the gaming, I don't know what it's called. Christopher, what's that called? For when Xbox, the gaming dashboard. You can pull it up, or you can download it off of Microsoft Store or whatever. Download it. It has a built-in screen recorder in there, okay? For people gaming and stuff, it's the same thing. Just put it on and just let it play on your computer or laptop, okay? That's what I use on here. I will put all that into the, I gotta write that down because I will forget that. I will put that into the podcast, my friends. And if Linux or anything like that, can't help you out. I'm getting too old for this. Oh. Oh, rotator cuff. Yeah, I can't believe whole 45 years old. Wow. I never thought I would make it. Okay, so AZ, and I'm going to do the channeling right after this, my friends. I just got to do this for you guys. AZ, screen, Xbox. Oh, fuck. Are you kidding me? Fuck. Garbage. Garbage bullshit. Pardon my language. Sorry, guys. Xbox. Screen record and then Apple recorder. Okay, and they're all free, every one of them. Podcast. I'll make it. It's going to be a little bit longer. I'll dumb it down a bit because I won't be going off on it big time, but it'll be about 5 minutes. Okay. It'll be out there sooner than later because you got to get on that and start practicing. I would save your screen recorder under defaults where it's, because you can pick where to save it to inside where it says downloads. Do not save it to your device. Okay. Save it to a cloud, like a Google Drive, Dropbox, or anything like that, or SD card or USB flash drive, okay? The smartest thing you can do, because then you can take it with you, okay? If your device screws up, you don't lose all your shit, okay? Because that's valuable information. Okay. Aaron, no worries here. Oh yeah, I was going to disclose to you. Oh, thanks, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to disclose. I don't even want to look. You guys want to see what my portfolio is? I'll ask first. And if you don't want to see it, I won't even show it. It's up to you guys if you want to see my portfolio. I'm already transfer. Okay, I'm going to set up these options here, guys. Give me a second here. So the floor is yours. I'm just going to be a minute setting up this screen, and we're going to get into some options. I'm going to show you guys, or not options, channeling, okay? I'm going to show you guys how to figure out in the beginning of the week how to get the best way that this stock is going to be. This is the most accurate way that you can predict AMC, because all indicators are off the table. None of it works. None of it works. Like I said, a couple of these guys have used it for like a couple of weeks to a month, get it 80-90% accurate, and now they don't even talk about it anymore because it isn't accurate, because it just doesn't work like that. I'm not putting anybody down. I'm just telling how it is, right? Tony's actually the one that mentioned that a couple days ago when he was talking to Al from Boston. I mentioned, yeah. He actually mentioned that. That nobody has it. Not even me with my bot. It's just, things change. Okay, how do I do this again? Browser source? Display? Fuck. Display capture. Okay, add source. Stocks. Stocks era. Oh shit. Okay, guys. Excuse me. I'm gonna have to pull Weeble down for a minute, but I'll pull it up first. Oh. Okay, I'm using stocks era. This is what we use. Forget about fucking Ortex, Finner, all that bullshit. This is more accurate than anything, and it's free. This is just a normal person doing this by himself, just like me and you. It tells you if the SSR is on or off for the day right away. Oh, okay. So right now, I'm just going to tell you today's numbers while we're here. The short volume of AMC is 60.77% on the 12th of December. The short sale volume is 19.72 million. Long sale volume is 12.73 million. I know this means nothing to a lot of us, but it's just the volume. The short sale volume is 69% higher than yesterday. The short sale volume, did you guys hear that? Is 69% higher than yesterday, or than the 12th. Sorry, which would have been, market wasn't open on the 12th, but I'm talking Monday. How can it be 69% higher and the stock has dropped 10%? You figure that one out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go into options, okay? Oh, sure, I got to show you one other thing. We got to complete that with our numbers. Okay, so short interest of float. Okay, this is what this is what it's hedged, 16.28%. Okay, that's the main number that I like, that one. So we're going to go into options, okay? And no, we're not doing options. This is how we read, okay? Okay, so we're at, what are we at right now on Webull, guys? 30s. Just hang on. I got to have it in front of me just so I can see it. I got it right here. Or not Webull, sorry, our stock screener. I hate Webull. AMC, we're at 22. Okay, there we go, 23 bucks. It should bounce off that. How can it be down? Oh, the SSR is going to be on tomorrow. We're going to have a, it's going to be in place tomorrow. We're down more than 10%. So we're down 16.47%, but yet we have 64% more volume. Think about that one. Okay, we're at $22. So here's what I do. I use Stocks Era. I don't use anything else, okay? It's just, this is what I use, okay? So if you guys use something else, I won't help you on it, because it's just, I don't want to learn something new. This is what I use. So if you want to do this, you should use this, okay? I'm not trying to be an ass, but I'm not going to, there's 30 or 40 different stock screens. This one's really easy to use. Okay, so strike, option table, okay? Okay, the strike points, $23, okay? $23. Okay, see how the numbers drop right off, okay? Right here, okay, see, 22, $20, and then it goes down. There's nothing, okay? See that? Out of the money, in the money, you're going to see these numbers, okay? So, remember I said it won't go below 22. See the numbers at 20? 14,956. But then below it, is a 16th of that. Okay, so there's your channel. There's your bottom. There's your bottom right there. So you put a line right there. The lowest will be $20. Okay, that's as low as it will go because, and the volume strike, the volume, and you go off of the volume too. Okay, so you got to look at both. See the volume? They're pretty much close. Okay. So this is what nobody ever showed me how to do this. This is just what I do, right? I just one day started looking at this stuff, and then all of a sudden just started writing it down. I'm like, fuck, are you kidding me? And I've been just doing this, and it just seems to work. I know it probably doesn't mean anything to anybody else. They're probably like, what the fuck are you doing, man? That means nothing, but it does. To me, it does, right? I don't know. I have a calculating mind, right? I see numbers, right? So the $20, the numbers drop right off. See, there's no comparison. It's 10,000 down. So that's your bottom. Okay. The high is for the rest of the week. The highest it can go will be $30. It won't go any higher. You can see the numbers right here. 2,415, 188 below that. Okay, 10,000 right here, 7,000 below that. Okay, so there you go. So I even want to say 20. It's going to stay in the between, but that's pretty tight. I actually see 25, between 20 and 25 bucks, but I know it's going to go a little higher than that. It possibly could. So that's why I say that there's in between that $10 realm in that channel. So this is channeling, guys. This is what I call channeling, right? When I'm talking about channeling on my chart or on my channel. So yeah, this is and I don't do options, but I've talked to some people that do options that I have some private meetings with through our packages. And they said that I'd make a lot of fucking money on this, doing this. But guys, don't take my numbers off and do this. This is not for that. This is strictly entertainment and just to get a basic, so you're not, you know what's going on. So you're not blown away when things collapse and go sideways on you. So that's why I can, when these prices go this low, I'm not like, because I already knew this. I knew this like fucking a month ago was going to go down like this, right? So I'm not off of this. That's just off of just living life, knowing about stuff that if there's something mean and you can do it to somebody, they're going to do it to us. Okay. So there you guys go. Next week, I'll show you guys, I'll show you next week too. But yeah, I guess if the strike point and you don't hit it dead on, because I'm learning on options too. I don't do options, right? Which I never would, just because I was taught to stay away from them, right? There's no, you can go do good on them once or twice and then you'll lose all your money. It's rigged worse than anything on the market. It's designed for you to lose, okay? And especially on AMC. So there you guys go. Do you have any questions at all, my friends? I can't tell you, Jay, for next week. Well, I could just out just from me, but not off of here. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this off of here just so we can. There you guys go. There you guys go. Well, hey, I know. Hey, if you guys buy options on it, you'll lose money. Trust me. And I wouldn't do that. That's what I said. I had some people contact me, and they made up. Fucking one guy made out over $100,000 off of what I was talking about.
Oh.
And I said, whoa. And he goes, dude, you can. And then I talked to somebody else just last week, and he's like, dude, man, you're nailing the numbers. And I said, well, what do you mean? Like nailing the numbers? I'm off. Like I'm not nailing the number dead on. He goes, you don't have to with options. if you nail it, you fucking slam dunk it. But if you're doing a 10, a 5%, and a 5% on each side, you're still making a large money. You're still in that area. I'm like, what? Right? Because like I was never taught with options, right? Like warrior trading. You guys know warrior trading on YouTube. That's how I was taught. It's from that guy, Ross. Okay, through on the internet. So I wouldn't recommend, and that's why I always say use stock simulators before, because that's how I was taught before you swing trade, and that's how I know a lot of my stuff is from him, right? I didn't take the full course because I learned it fast, okay? Just because I'm numbers, right? I probably should have, but I'm not paying 25 grand or 20 grand or whatever his whole course is. It's expensive, man. And that's up to you guys if you want to do that, right? But it is what it is. He's probably one of the smartest stock traders in the world, okay? And very, very, you want to talk about fucking OCD? Yeah. He gets mad at himself and doubles down, and yeah, he's his worst own enemy too, and he teaches you all that, right? That's how I pulled the greed off the table. That's how I learned that. And I just did a couple classes, right? He does freebies once in a while. I would recommend it once in a blue moon. Maybe he doesn't do that, I don't know. But he used to do, and it was like a month course, once a week. He lets you use, sorry, I choked. Warrior Trading screener, stock screener. I don't know what it's his own, or I don't know what it is. But he gives you the passwords for it. Oh, there you go. Ubuntu. Yeah, for Linux, you're right. You can record. There you go. That'd probably be fast. File saved at home or video. Cool, there you go. Did you see Ross cry like last week? He lost. Yeah, no, I didn't see. I haven't watched Ross in a long time. It's just that there's a reason why I don't do it, is because I usually do the plays he does, and I look at the same. I'm not swing trading. I'm not paper trading, paper handing, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Okay, I'm in AMC right now, but yeah, when I'm doing my shit, yeah, I'm usually in plays with him. That's how I was taught. I watch the news 3 hours before I go into the market. Everything I've showed you guys is what he does. Okay, he watches the news. I'm not going to get into like crazy stuff here, but I'll give you the one of it. But no, I didn't see it, and yeah, he probably pulled one of his fucking hissy fits and doubled down and fucking got mad and didn't pull his position in time, right? He's his worst enemy, but he's one of the fucking smartest traders in the world. Hands down. I don't give a fuck about anybody else. It's way smarter than me. By far, right? He is a self-made multimillionaire off the stock market. There's very few people that can make it, but all from hard work. All from hard work. And he's who showed me how to set up offshore accounts. All of that shit's changed. They've all changed name. It's just been out for a while, like almost a year and a bit. But yeah, when I get back into it, oh, my fucking whole portfolio is red now. But yeah, man, guys, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to get into that again. I told you I'd take a couple of you with me and do it. You guys got to go and get a month in first on a simulator and show me your month ticket printout before I do anything with you guys. Because you got to lose money first. Because, like I said, it's 80 to 98% of people will lose all their money that high. And I'm not bullshitting you. So, actually, I don't like Webull. I don't sponsor them. I don't have shares in them. I only use this because it's very simple for my computer. The thing is, they do have a stock simulator in there. Okay, and you start it with $1 million or 100 grand, it's very good. Okay, go use it. Go use it. Sit there while you're watching me in the day and start day trading. Okay, with no money. Like they just give you a simulator. It's sim, but it reads off the real market and your plays and shit. And when you cash out, you do it at the same times as you would in real life, or else you lose money. Okay, it's fucking cool, man. They got one of the best stock screeners out there. But yeah. I'm learning from. Oh, good, good, cool. I'm learning from one of his students too. One on one. Oh, okay, cool. Right on. Um, yeah, he makes a lot on schooling. He definitely does, and he makes a lot on YouTube too. He has a really good standing on YouTube and the community he's in. He day trades every day. Every day he's doing it. He does most of his money from his coaching, not market. Oh, okay. He must. That's weird because I know him. Okay. That's weird. I know him pretty good, and he's on the market every day. Um, okay. That's weird. But okay. Sorry. I read the thing wrong. Sorry, Beliath. Coaching, yes, he does classroom time. Yes, he does teach. He teaches every day. You can go into full-time classes on the market. You can log on to YouTube, or has another server now, but you can log on to it at a certain time. Same as what we're doing on our other channel. But he does plays every day. He's on the market every day. He does usually 3 to 4 stocks a day, max usually 4. And he gets up early. He goes and travel, just does everything. He goes on trips with this. He has to be trading all the time. He has an addiction to it, but in a good way. But he does lose money. He's very transparent. Some plays he makes money, some he loses money, right? But his strategy is fucking decent, right? Because he doesn't lie, right? I just want to squeeze and then. Yeah, Shamaran. That's the safest thing to do. Day trading is really stressful, man. It is so fucking stressful. And it's expensive too. Like, the only way you can do it is you can have 24 or 25, I forget what it is, 24 or 25 grand. It's one or the other. I can't remember. It used to be 24, and they think that you have to have that in there, and then you can trade as many times as you want in the week, in the 5-day period, or else you only can trade 3. I've told so many times like that. Or you offshore account it, but then they charge you an interest fees, right? But I would rather just use an offshore account, right, and pay the fees. But yeah, man, it's stressful as hell. You're done by like 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. You don't stay right until the fucking market closes. Fuck no, man. You enter and you're out. You're out within usually an hour and a half, 2 hours. You're done. Because you'd want to be ahead of everybody else, right? Because once they start selling, you have to remember there's flocks from around the world that go in. Things will dip. If you make 5 to 10% is a fucking slam dunk on the market, guys. That's good. Anything above that, you're fucking golden. Like I said, 5 to 10,000 up, 20, 30, $40,000 chunks. Okay, minimal 5 and $10,000 chunks. That's what I play with. Boom, boom, boom. Even number, like it's just easier to figure out. And yeah, when you lose, you lose. But anyways, enough about that, guys. I just wanted to get into that stuff. Okay, I just meant he makes more money with his. Oh yeah, for sure he does. Oh fuck yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I know. I hate texting because it can be meant different ways. That's why when I said, "Oh, I don't understand," and then you said at the end, from his coaching, not market. I understand. It's all good, girl. It's all good. It's all good. No, he does. He does his coaching and stuff. Yeah, pretty cool guy, man. Pretty cool. That's right. Make your money and leave. Like, get the fuck out of there. If you can clear 5% or 10, but it goes to 20 or 30, I'd rather take the 10 and get the fuck out of there early or lose it all. Like, it just, that's why I'm, pull the greed off the table. That's where I got that from, right? It's just, it's programmed in my head. Like, it just, yeah, it's the stock market will eat greedy people up and spit you out, right? Anyways, my friends, tell me about the story that never ends. Do you have any questions at all? So there you go. We covered a lot today, my friends. Did you guys learn a lot? Not that I know everything. I always got to say that because I don't. And the reason why I say that is because I like learning off of you guys when you guys bring stuff up and stuff like that. That's right, Sanjay. That's right. You guys get it. See, you guys get it. Down over 64 grand. Okay, 79. Down more than that, bro. Down about a fucking lots. Okay, I bought my shares at $8.23 and $14 and some chump change. And then I bought $1,000 at $40. Remember when we all did that one day? Okay, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys. If I can get the friggin' thing on here. Please don't. It's Yahoo Finance that I use. I don't use it as a company. I use their, it's easier. What the fuck is going on here? What have I done? I've done something here. Oh, duh. Okay, here we go. Ha! Yeah. I'm probably a vote. Yeah, I'm exactly the same as you. I'm the same as you. I'm about 60 grand down. Yeah, fuck. I'm down 6 grand today. Yeah, 11.73% I'm down across everything, right? Because it averages, right? I know it's 16 right here. And you guys know I could be wrong on this too, right? I'm just going off of like, I'm not off of this. It could go to lower. It could go like to 19. Okay, you guys, that's what don't do. Like, it is what it is, right? Like, I'm just giving a basic. Right? I don't fucking know everything. I forgot to say that. Oh, there we go. There we go. That makes more sense. I still got 72. Fuck, that's with my dividend and all that. So I'll show you. I'm always very transparent. This is at like 160 grand before. 100 around there. I still have 72,000 in my trader's account. That's locked in. Like, that's not my, well, I guess if I cashed it out, but that's life. That's in there for life, right? Those are my dividend plays and stuff. But some of it's AMC. That's a combined of everything on my portfolio. You're like, holy fuck, you got more money than me. That's not my money. Okay, just so you guys are very clear on that. That's the market's money right now because I haven't, it's all invested, right? So that's the way you got to look at things. That when you put it in the market, it's not your money anymore, right? The market will choose what you get. But yeah. I've never shown. Yeah, well, you got to pay taxes on that. You got to give pretty much half to taxes, 40%, right? I go higher. I'd put like, if the taxes are 38, I'd put 42 away. I'm always like that. I like surprises. That's, um, and you guys are always calling me on that too. You're always like, Cam, why do you always look at things not in the negative, but why do you always overdo things like that to the extreme on the opposite end? Because I don't like surprises. I like surprises where I have things left over. I like the opposite end, right? Oh, fuck. So guys, yeah, if you guys, I'll be taking a couple of JP. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, Boston strong. Don't worry about it, man. I'm in the same. So you must own about close to 1,000 shares then, eh, my friend? I'm assuming, with what numbers you're throwing out there. See, I could right now. I could go spend another. I could probably buy another $20,000-$30,000 worth of shares today. My wife would fucking kill me though. Because I got an unlimited line of credit. As it goes fucking, well, not unlimited, I don't think, but it's high, probably more than I could spend in a day. It's called I don't know if you guys have that in the States. When your house is paid off, you can get a thing called a home equity loan. Do you guys know what that is? Do they have that in the States? Or your house doesn't have to really be paid off, but whatever your house is worth, take away 20%, you're allowed 80% of what your house is worth as credit whenever you want it. It's only like 2-3%. So, yeah, I just wanted to, so yeah, that's what most people do. Home equity loans, when it's, yeah, it's good to have, right? Because then if you want to go buy something or something, you don't have to go get a loan. It's done. You're your own bank, right? It's your money. If you want to if you want to lend your house money out, you can, right? And it's low. It's like, I think if it's 3% or it's what the prime is on a mortgage. I think mortgage prime is 3.27% or something like that. So yeah. Anyways, 2,500. Holy fuck! Wow. No shit, you're fucking Boston strong. Wow, man. Holy shit. Wow, dude, you must have. Did you buy when they were like really cheap? Because what did I got about. See, mine's different because I got to transfer. Everything I buy is 30% more, 25 to 30% more for every share because it's Canadian funds to American. You guys, I don't know if you know that, but on the other side, when I sell, I don't pay taxes on it. I do, but it's like 5% because of the converting difference, right? So what I'm going to do with my money is I'm leaving it in my trader's account until the fucking our money's worth less, and then change it. It's called okay. I bought mine at 17. Hey, it's all good, Aaron. It is like I got some at 42. Yeah, that's true. A home equity line of credit. That's right, Mr. L. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah. So like if for instance, like after this, like if I wanted to say go buy a vehicle, I don't go to the government and fucking say, hey man, I need fucking like 80 grand. I want to buy a new truck. Do I have to get a loan? All the stress and bullshit. I don't have to fucking tell anybody. I can go to the bank, withdraw fucking 80 grand cash in a briefcase, and the IRS isn't fucking questioning me and all that bullshit. It's fucking my money. I don't have to prove my job, bank statements, where I'm working, all that fucking bullshit. I don't, right? Because I've already fucking paid it. I own the place, right? It's kind of cool. It's new in the last like fucking 10 years, I think. But the thing is yeah, you can just go do whatever you want, right? And you can just pay just the interest, right? But you can also fuck yourself with it too, right? You just got to be really responsible with it. So, but mine's at 0. I've never used it ever, and I've had it for 3 years. It's for an emergency. Trust me, I would love to go out and buy a new friggin' truck on it. Don't worry, I've thought about it. average down to 10. Well, you're not that bad, brother. See, I would, a part of me just wants to go fuck it and just dump more money. See, I could go, which I've always said, do not go take a loan out for this shit, right? But with 3% interest, that's fucking nothing. Nothing. I could buy $100,000 worth of fucking these things, right? $100,000, and I could buy it in, well, it'd take me a while to buy them in blocks. I'd go to my bank and do it through the fucking bank and get them to just fucking go to the market and just buy a chunk. I could buy $100,000 today at these prices. What would that be? $100,000 at $20, say. That'd be 200,000 shares I could buy today, right? But I don't trust the market. I don't want to fuck myself. So, and I'm not sitting here bragging. I'm not bragging at all because it's not my money. Well, it is my money. I'm putting myself into the bank's money, right? It's not my fucking money. Like it's totally different. So I'm not sitting here going, oh, I fucking got all this money, because I don't. I'm in the same category as you guys, my friend. But yeah, I could what would that be? 200,000 shares. If it goes up to $1,000, that's $200 million. Jesus fuck. Oh fuck. But what if something goes wrong? What if something goes wrong? You've been watching Hate Father. So my friends, tell me about the story that never ends. Did you guys want any questions or any questions before I wrap this shit up? And I've spent a lot of time just talking about stuff near the end and stuff like that. This is what I love about the channel, man, is just talking about basic stuff, life skills and stuff. That's where you make your money, believe it or not. It's just this basic talking shit, right? Educating yourself. Stop the FUD. I'm out of here. That is. I was waiting for you to say that. That's why I was saying. Hey, I was waiting for you. That's why I threw that out there. What if I bought 200,000 shares? They would make a coin, the wolf pack. I'm just messing around. You guys know me. I'm allowed to have fun too. No, I'm happy with my 1,000 shares. You rap? Wow. MC rap. MC, you can't touch this. So anyways, oh shit, I just want to check something here. Fuck. Everything's in the red today, my friends. Yeah, I'm down quite a bit. Holy crap. Look at that pump. Look at this. We called this thing. We called this. Boom. Boom. Holy fuck. Mr. L, are you on here still? Aaron, are you on here still? Holy shit. Fuck. Oh yeah, it's been bleeding for like a day and a half. Sorry guys, I just gotta see this. I gotta see this. I predicted this shit. Yep. Run up and market open, crash. Wow. Yep, I'm doing the same shit. Wow. That's why I'm not fucking around in the market now. Okay, anyways, my friends, I'm out of here. Love you guys. Love you, Wolfpack. Cam. Yeah, no kidding, eh? So what I'll do is I'm going to work on a video for you guys. Yeah, shit is on sale, my friends. I'm gonna work on this video for you guys with this stock AZ screen recorder and stuff. But you guys keep it real. Love you. Over now. See you in the morning. Peace.